You can order the spark plugs used in the video on the CarParts.com website via the link in the description. Turn off your vehicle's ignition. Set the parking brake. Pull the hood release handle and open the hood. You should now be able to see where the spark plugs are located. In order to have better access to each plug, disconnect the fuel injector. To do this, push on the tab and pull on the connector. Disconnect the power from the ignition coil. To do this, push on the tab and pull on the connector. Using a socket wrench, an extender, and a 7mm socket, remove the holding screw from the coil. You can now carefully remove the coil, making small lateral back and forward movements. Tip: we recommend using a thin plastic tube taped to the end of a vacuum to properly clean around the spark plug. This prevents the dirt from falling into the motor. Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. If you enjoyed this video and want to support us, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, back to work. Using a socket wrench, an extender, and a 14mm spark plug socket, loosen the spark plug. Finish unscrewing by hand. Remove the spark plug. You can order the spark plugs used in the video on the CarParts.com website via the link in the description. Grab the new spark plug. You can purchase the parts we used here by visiting our website at CarParts.com. Put the new spark plug in place by inserting it directly into the spark plug socket, which will allow you to gently bring it to the screwing support. Always start screwing by hand, then finish by fixing it in place with a socket wrench. There are several techniques for tightening spark plugs. You can use a torque wrench and employ the tightening torque recommended by the manufacturer. Or you can use an angular torque gauge to respect the recommended angle. Put the coil back, pushing it in as far as possible. You can then screw the nut that holds the coil back in with a socket wrench. Finish tightening using a torque wrench. Reconnect the ignition coil. Reconnect the injector. You can now repeat the process on the other spark plugs. Operation completed.